If I had to describe the computerized machining program in one sentence, I'd say it's the thing that makes our world go round. Derek Hollaball, Senior Instructor of the Computerized Machining Technology Program, Program Coordinator for the Career Education Division. So something made using CNC machining technology is for cars, for instance. There's a company we've worked with in the past that makes the front knuckle suspension systems for those cars. We've got companies that they have hydraulic valves that go in your John Deere tractors. Somebody has to machine those valves.
Hi, my name is Jeremiah Donnell. I'm here in the Computer Manufacturing Design program. This would be my second semester for it. I came to this program specifically because I already actually work in the field. I currently work as a CNC operator, and so I decided that I wanted to progress my skills, then I wanted to actually start taking on the design aspect of it and the programming. So I'm trying to move towards programming. I would highly recommend this program. I believe that's the reason that I've got to where I am now in the programming position. Without it, I don't know that I would have made it.
Hi, I'm Shane Muse. I am the Senior Manager of People Partner for Danfoss North America Industrial Division, located out of Searcy, Arkansas. I've seen a lot of my graduates really not only take the CNC portion of it and learn and grow. I'm seeing the graduates grow through organizations, and I've had one that's now an operations manager that started as a part-time CNC operator, and he's moved to a supervisor position to an operation. So the graduates from this program are not only gaining the skills necessary to operate this machinery that we see behind us, but they're gaining leadership skills. They're gaining confidence